How to activate Capital One credit card online without logging into any account. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is use the Capital One activation page. You'll be asked to enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and other personal details such as your social security number or date of birth to verify your identity. After entering this information, follow the prompts and your card will be activated without needing to logging into any account. Next, you can call the activation hotline. If you prefer not to use the online method, you can activate your card by calling 1-800-227-4825. This automated system will guide you through the process of entering your card details for quick activation. These methods allow you to activate your Capital One credit card easily without needing to log in or create an account first. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.